So, how's living in together?
Oh, it's been great, Tita. I actually love living with Clyde.
Yes, Mom. It's like the best thing that's ever happened in my life.
Well, that's great. Kasi I'm so worried na baka nag-aaway kayo everyday. Kasi, you know naman Clyden, he can be tactless sometimes.
Kung paparesahin akong tumira sa isang bahay na kasama ka, might as well dapat maganda na rin yung bahay. Pampalubag loob na rin.
I hate your dad. Actually, I hate your whole family. It's pathetic to be honest.
Ano mo nasabing type mo ko?
Alam mo, feel na feel mo.
Alis ako tomorrow to get away from you.
Di ko naman tinanong.
Clyden is actually really soft-spoken.
Soft-spoken? Really?
Yeah, he's not judgmental. Not judgmental at all.
Wow, my son must really like you, huh?
Kanino pa magmamana yan?
Ay nako, come on Jada. Alam mo naman, actually ako nga tong worried eh. Kasi yung anak ko talaga, everyone knows she's a social butterfly and baka nakakaabala siya kay Clyden. Ang hilig niya mag-parties, she's very in demand.
Ngayon pa talaga.
Kaya ko na. I take care of everyone. No one takes care of me. Kaya ko na to. Okay?
Hindi mo kaya. Alam mo, tita, you're right. Ang ingay nga ni Sam. Minsan nga gabi na to umuwi dahil sa mga activities niya.
This guy can't even lie. Tinaglag talaga ako.
But, I found out na yung mga orgs na sinasalihan ni Sam are for charity. She's always busy helping other people. So I can't help but root for her, you know? And she's the most caring person I've ever met. Pati nga mga dogs ko, inaalagaan niya eh. So it's really not hard to love someone like Sam.
Let's go.
If I didn't know na nagpe-pretend lang kami, I think I would have fallen for those words.